I don't think we actually did the introduction part, so oh well. But
Too windy.
fuck.
Start off with a question. What are we doing at this time in the morning?
Following your procedure that we have to be up at this time in the morning.
Well, yeah, but my procedure was based on your idea of going to the Minac. I suggested Bath or Bristol. We could have had an hour, we could have had a sleep in there.
How much sleeping?
We could have left at like 9 o'clock instead.
Oh my god, that would be good. So we were up at what, 5:30 in the morning?
Yeah, pretty much.
Because it was my idea that we go to somewhere slightly different that isn't kind of countryside-y.
So we're going to the countryside.
But we're going somewhere that is a bit more like looks abroad. The reason why I picked it is because it kind of simulates Greece.
Emulates rather than simulates.
Simulate? No, simulate.
Emulate.
Simulate.
Simulate is like a simulation,
Yeah.
rather than emulate is like similar to.
But if you
It's similar to Greece anyway.
it's simulate, similar. See? But yeah, I feel like it would just would have been a nice change of like scenery with like the stones and like walls and stuff like that. And yeah, I thought let's go there. And it's a nice day. I'm tired.
Yeah. Time for snooze.
Because we're on this train, we're going there, but we have no plan.
No.
We have no plan. We should think of a plan now.
How about we go to get some food before we go to the theatre? That sounds like a really good plan to me.
Unless there's food there. I mean,
There is a
we've
cafe.
got to be there.
There is a cafe there.
No time. They charge too much.
To be fair, I do not know what the cost is there. I've never eaten in a cafe there, but as it's the only cafe there, I'm guessing they charge what they like. So, are you awake now yet? Are you fully awake now?
No.
Still not?
Are we almost there?
Sorry?
Are we almost there?
Are we there yet?
How long have we got?
About 35 minutes to go.
I think I just lost a brain cell.
Just one?
Maybe two. We have
So we
have a whole list of items that we could do,
We are now approaching
and none of them kind of seem to appeal to us
to a wide range
in
of
this kind of
destinations,
setting right now.
including the
How long have we got? 35 minutes.
about 35 minutes. That is the challenge. We have to come up with something in 35 minutes. First idea we have is food.
Well, that's easy. Like, yeah, food is
Yeah.
always priority number one. Priority number two,
Drink.
I gotta drink.
Oh yeah. Fair enough.
Priority number two is think of something to do when we get there.
Is that nice? What flavour? What is it actually? Is it just like?
Well, apparently, right, usually when you go into shops, they call it like cream donuts.
Yep.
But it's not a donut.
It's a finger bun.
Yeah, it's like a cream finger. That sounds just as dirty.
Doesn't sound good, does it?
It's a creamy finger. And the fact that it's got red on it as well.
Oh no.
The fact is, I'm eating this and you're not.
No, but I've had mine. I've had my creamy finger.
So on today's Weather podcast, we have a shit ton of wind coming in from this direction. And
Pardon, I can't hear you. It's too windy.
oh, sorry. Okay. Shall I not do the weather then?
Maybe. Well, maybe. But you know, FYI, you know.
Okay. So with that, and we want to go there.
Down there.
So if you was to walk that, are we thinking about a couple hours?
It's 9 miles. 9.5 miles.
Really?
Yeah.
That's actually a lot further than I thought.
Yep.
We're going to go from there to there. We're going to get a bus. But we're going to go to
Treen.
Could they not come up with any better names at this point?
Maybe it's pine cones dropped.
I don't get it.
When you go from a child to a teen. Then what you need is like a little tub so people can put change in.
Look at this theatre that we've made it to.
Ah, it's beautiful.
So this is the bus shelter just in the middle of nowhere.
So we travelled
A bunker.
So we travelled 200 miles to film here. Is this where we come for? This is the main attraction. Right. It's beautiful. Can we go now?
Yeah. We're just in the middle of nowhere, pretty much. But there's a tree right there, right? Up the hill.
I think so.
Right.
Yeah.
Well, let's actually go to the proper theatre.
Okay.
Very cold.
Yeah.
Absolutely beautiful.
It's amazing, isn't it?
This is one of the best beaches I've ever seen.
Really? You think one of the best?
One of the best. Look how quiet and just nothing. I know, it is a windy day.
Yeah. We've got to tackle them steps now.
Yeah, let's go.
You tired? I think we've made it. There we go. We're late. Looks like a little bit windy. At least you got some audio in this video rather than just the sound of wind.
Yeah. And what is it?
Yeah, what is it? What's in it? So you got hot chocolate, is it cream?
It did have cream and marshmallows in it.
But that's gone.
I know, and that's gone very quickly.
Yeah.
But at least you can hear me now. We've made it all the way, walking up those very hard steps. We went through the countryside. We walked up that steep hill to come and get a hot chocolate and some cake.
Yeah.
Like that.
That's just quite comfortable.
It is really comfy.
It's grass.
We passed some beaches and it's beautiful, and we might even go down there, get some photos, and I'll even like risk it all for the modelling shots.
Really?
I might.
You're gonna go that? You're gonna be that brave, are you?
I feel like I could be.
Okay.
We are at the beach and it's so beautiful, and I was debating on like getting naked into my bikini, doing some photos,
Just winter.
but it's winter, Well, actually, it's spring now, technically.
Technically,
It's still cold.
it's freezing.
And yeah, I'm leaning on very drippy rocks.
Drippy rocks.
But yeah, I feel like this is probably the best place to end it, really.
We'll come back in the summer.
We'll come back. At least we've had a look. We've had a look at it.
Beautiful beach.
Beautiful beach. But yeah, I think what we'll do, I'll say bye now. If you enjoyed this video, leave it a like. If you enjoyed just me, subscribe. Bye.
Bye.